1, 2, 3.
You can't film bloopers. They have to happen naturally.
I know.
This will be, no, but this is
It's a set. It's
behind the scenes.
It's just like
the scene.
it's just like the thing where they have
Can
this.
we do the thumbnail? Let's just do the thumbnail.
So everyone knows that she's mean.
You the director. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today's video is special to me. I'm on vacation in Chicago. My niece got this amazing idea to turn me into her. Right now I have no makeup on, and by the end of this video hopefully I become a diva. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Let me introduce you to my baby Lindsay. She's gonna take over. I'm all yours.
I'm so excited.
Hey guys, I figured I will need a glass of wine to go through this. I don't know if it's a trick or a treat. And while we're doing this, my other beautiful baby niece will be asking me some questions so you guys get to know me a little more.
I'm gonna start with priming your face. Let's go.
What primer are you using?
This is the MAC Prep and Prime. It's a nice base. I like it.
Okay, so first question is, if you could live anywhere, where would it be?
Interesting question, as I consider myself to be a cosmopolitan. At this stage of my life, I would love to live in the United States, so that's why I've been here for the past few years. Yeah.
What motivated you to start your YouTube channel?
Let me take a sip. Okay, so I actually started my YouTube channel a few years ago, and what motivates me, I just think, connect to people and entertain people, and yeah, just, you know, I always wanted to have that deep connection to other people and inspire people, motivates them, and tell my story.
What would you say to people who want to start a YouTube channel?
Oh, it takes some balls. So if you don't have some, get some and just jump into it. It's fun. Could be frustrating, but if you really want to do it, just do it, and do it really for yourself first. The reward will come certainly somewhere, someday.
What is your proudest accomplishment?
I'll say my proudest accomplishment is my master in economic and international trading.
What is a thing that you enjoy to do on your free time?
Oh, there's a few stuff that I love to do. I just love to enjoy time with myself. Either I'm pampering myself or just I love being in front of the mirror and just looking at myself. No, I'm just kidding. I love to read. I love to write. I'm actually a good writer, and I love to listen to music, exercise, cook. I mean, a bunch of little stuff that makes your life enjoyable.
If you won the lottery, what would you do? And we're talking like jackpot, $500 million.
Wow, that would be such a blessing. I think I'm just gonna invest in some of the business that I have currently, and just put on my family and friends, and also help other people. I would love to bless other people, make other people dream become true, and also help out my family and travel and just found a lot of my businesses too, and real estate and other stuff that I'm doing currently.
And you said that you would travel, which I know is on many people's bucket lists. What are maybe 3 things that you wanted to do, like before you retire, that are like on your bucket list right now?
Oh wow, I love that question. Always changes. I think travel is priority. Be able to travel around the world. I've traveled a lot, but just go some places and stay at 5-star hotels and just enjoy the nature and everything that this world has to offer. That would be one of my bucket. I'd love to go to Egypt and see all the pyramids, and go to South Africa and deeper in Africa. My roots are in Africa, and explore so many other countries there. I would love to write a book. So definitely one of my on my bucket list, write a book. And see the third thing. What would be the third thing? I would just love to, I would love to adopt kids, 1, 2 kids, or even just foster some kids, because I believe a child is given a chance at a very young age. They have tendency of succeeding, Foster kids and adopt kids, give them an opportunity. Keep doing stuff in fashion. I absolutely love fashion, entertainment, and all that. So yeah. 3, 2, 1. Wow.
What do you not like it? Is that why you don't sound happy?
I love it.
Then why don't you?
No, show me. I'm like, oh my gosh.
It sounds like you're struggling to find a nice thing to say.
No. Oh my gosh.
Marty, don't be fake. Oh my god. Just.
No, I love it. Oh.
Oh my gosh, a picture right here. I don't know how to do that.
Hold on.
So guys, I was surprisingly happy with the outcome of the makeup, and I hope you guys enjoy this makeup with my little baby. She's not a professional. She did her best, and I like it. I think we look alike.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more fun time with family. I love you for watching. Until next time, be the best version of yourself. I see you in my next video. Au revoir mes amis. Au revoir. Au revoir. Merci.
No, yeah.